I found an efficient way to get around this park. See, so many people here now. Look at the sky. Hello, I'm Miao. Welcome to my video. I hope to help you understand cultural differences, break down information barriers, give you an authentic view of Beijing and China. Join me as we experience a real life of Beijinger. And now, currently, I'm on my way to the Expo Park. This park is really far, 90 kilometers from city center. And it is located in the suburb of Beijing. And now it's 4 o'clock p.m. So why am I heading there at this time? Because this park is free in the evening until the August 31st. It holds the big event and performances in the evening. There are hot air balloons, flower fields, light shows, craft and food market, live music, beer, all kinds of events and performances. But what I am most excited about is the drone light show. Every Saturday at 8:30 p.m., 600 drones fly into the sky and forming the different patterns and change their patterns. People said it's really breathtaking. So today is Saturday, so I'm heading there to check it out. Are you ready to come along with me? Let's go! Dun dun! After 1 hour and 15 minutes drive, I'm arrived at the Expo Park. You know, this place is located to the northwest of Beijing. Keep going north from here and you can reach the area where Beijing Winter Olympic Games were held. Also, the place I always go ski in winter. This place is 4 to 5 degrees cooler than in the city, so it's a good place to go to avoid the summer heat. This park was originally built for the 2019 International Horticultural Expo. I remember taking my mom here during the expo. This park was massive. Is massive, about 500 hectares. So it requires the shuttle bus to get around. But I think in the evening, the shuttle bus is not running. And the entrance fee during daytime is 60 yuan. But during June to August, it's held the evening events to encourage people go to this park in the evening. So the interest fee is 0. No need interest fee. So, you know, in my opinion, no spend money means earn money. So I earn 60 yuan today. Now I can't wait to check it out. So let's go.
里边慢点，那是路不平。
路不平吗？真的吗？路不平我可就不拿了。I found an efficient way to get around this park. It's a surprise because most of the parks in Beijing, they won't allow the skateboarding to play skateboarding in the park. But this park, I asked the staff. He said, okay, no problem. So, you know, these two skateboards are always in my car. So now I can use it. Too early now. I think later there will be a live music. So let's hang around first. I'm hungry. So see, lots of food to choose. 这个鸡脆骨，对，来个2串就行了。Lamb skewers, always my choice. And next one. 我说你这儿真。
收钱八到账
beer, 燕京 beer, Beijing local beer. You know, they also sell the tequila, Long Island, something like that. You know, after I bought that bottle of beer, I found this. The craft beer. So I like to buy one. Okay, 谢谢。10 yuan for 1 cup. ，Cheers! See the live music. Lamb skewer with beer. They are the best. Badminton. You know, Chinese people are really good at it. Let's go! You know, I looked it up. This week, the market theme is ceramics. So there are a lot of pottery items. I really love this kind of thing. So let's go and check it out together. Go! Let's go. Handmade cup. Not so many people in this market, and I didn't see anything I like and anything I want to buy it. So I'm a little bit disappointed. So let's go, continue. Look at the light show and the sunset. Now it's 8 o'clock. See, more and more people in this park, and all the lights on. When we back to the stage, the live music plays. See, so many people here now. Look at the sky. The drones, 600 drones are flying in the sky. Advertisement. Oh, the show is over. The stars are fallen. After eating, drinking, and having so much fun, it's already 10 p.m. Look at still so many people in this park. Driving back home will need more than 1 hour. So honestly, the only downside to this park is how far it is. Everything else is so great. What do you think? The drone show is absolutely stunning. Do you think so? Do you agree with me? I'm so amazed about this drone show. The show like this, the drone show, are rare in Beijing. So of course, in the Forbidden City, Tiananmen Square, or other attractions in the city center, the drones are banned. Are not allowed. So only sometimes in the suburb you can see these drone show. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.